like traveling back in time. Beautiful colors, all kinds of nuts.
Chicken fry.
Tobacco.
Tobacco.
Alright, we are back at the Mall Road.
Chicken korma and aloo keema and aloo palak and daal mash.
It's even getting busier. Guys, check this out. I think tomorrow this is the place where I'm gonna eat, guys.
खाना खा लें, बैठे हैं फैमिली यार.
Very interesting place. A lot of meat, fish, probably river fish. But it looks very nice, to be honest. Assalamu alaikum. No problem? Look at how cool this looks. Assalamu alaikum. Some beautiful colors, all kinds of nuts, spices. Assalamu alaikum. Very beautiful shop. MashaAllah.
Sounds good.
Sorry?
Sounds good.
A lot of spices from all over the world, I think.
India, especially Pakistan.
Okay.
And over there we got seeds, honey, syrups, dates, dry fruits.
Beautiful.
Almost from Afghanistan, Pakistan.
Yeah. I think this is the most beautiful shop until now. And you can find it here if you ever come around here. It's called Balochistan. And they have, in many cities, they have a shop, so check it out. It's really nice. Now we're gonna have a little bit of a massage. One of the best ever, to be honest. The Thai massage chairs are good, but this one is another level. I still got about 1 kilometer left to the hotel, or a little bit less actually. But look at this. Let's check out this alley to get away from the crowd for a little while. Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالك? Good. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, we gotta showcase the food of this guy. Yeah. Let's see what they got.
Chicken fry.
Fireworks going on.
This one is start. Here.
Tea.
Tea, brother, chai.
Kawe you have?
Kawai.
Yeah?
Yes.
Green tea.
Green tea patini.
Okay, I want one.
One kawa
Yes, please.
patini.
With sugar. Got some fresh bread. Assalamu alaikum. Very nice to see these people at work. It's like traveling back in time. Beautiful. Very nice. So fresh chickens hanging up here. Assalamu alaikum. Beautiful. MashaAllah. You guys, I have been invited for a tea. Okay. Alright, welcome back. I was forced to drink another tea. Must have been the 6th one today. This area is totally different from Islamabad, Peshawar. I just woke up around 3 a.m. and as you can see, this crazy city is still active. I already knew some shops would be open, but I didn't expect so many. What is this, brother? Tobacco. I thought it was food, but it is actually tobacco with some additional sweetness and I don't know what. Pan. He told me it is called pan. Something like that. Insane. Yes, guys, these are the views that you can get around here in different seasons. Guys, we have only one word for this in Morocco, and it is called ruina. Look at this. The streets are flooding. The traffic is like worst ever. I really wonder what this municipality is doing with all the money that's coming in from all these tourists. What an experience. It's time to leave this town. I've had enough of the chaos. So we're gonna head towards the north. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go through Islamabad first or directly to the north, because I think there is no bus directly to the north from this area. Abbottabad. If I go Abbottabad, can I go from there to Hunza or Gilgit?
No, only Hyderabad.
Really?
Hyderabad to...
Problem after problem. There is no bus available to Islamabad. So what I'm gonna do now is go to the bus station and just hope there is a minivan going that way. And that there is a seat available for me. Look at this, guys. Let's see if we can find a seat somewhere, guys.